If you're a service-based business here in Franklin and you're looking to grow your business predictably, then this video is for you. You're most likely very good at what you do, but here, let's just be real. You are the best kept secret in Franklin. Not enough people actually know about your services to reach your goals. The one thing you are missing is the attention of your perfect clients, the ones willing to pay you what you're worth. But here is the negative truth. Your attention is being stolen. Relying on Google and word of mouth is unpredictable and saturated. On Google, you're just a name in a sea of 100 competitors. Bright local research shows that 77% of consumers regularly read reviews when searching for local businesses. This means on Google, you are being price shopped against every other guy with a 4-star review. It's a race to the bottom. That's why you're most likely seeing fewer leads as well as lower quality leads. You're paying what I call a competitor tax. Every day you aren't the most recognized name in town, that money is going into your competitor's pocket. My 15-mile famous strategy, which I'm going to break down for you, has helped 100+ service businesses finally stand out. It brings you in high quality leads in as little as 7 days. If you're actually wanting to scale here in Franklin, give me about 10 minutes of your time. I'm going to break down how you can have a massive advantage over every single one of your competitors here in town. And before we go any further, look at the screen. The reason you are watching this right now is because this system works. Think about it. You came here as a follower. We had a quick chat on Instagram, and here you are. This is the exact same strategy we are going to implement for you. The same strategy that got your attention is the one that will get your customers' attention. The real problem is you're still relying on dead marketing strategies. You might even be paying $1,500 a month for a social media manager to post random graphics. Here's the negative reality. Hootsuite reports that organic reach has plummeted to about 7.6%, which means that 92% of your followers don't even see what you post. You are paying for content that is essentially invisible. It's a ghost town strategy. Listen, word of mouth is incredible, but there is no lever you can pull to control it. It's unpredictable. One month you're busy, the next month dead silent. Think about how attention has moved. According to GWI, the average person now spends 2 hours and 24 minutes on social media every single day. If you aren't in front of them during those 2 hours, you don't exist. Instagram's own internal data shows that 90% of people follow at least one business. Your ideal avatar is sitting on Instagram 24/7. They're seeing a business's face over and over again. It just might not be yours yet. Here's how my 15-mile famous strategy works. We help you run hyper-targeted Instagram ads that hit a tight 15-mile radius right here in Franklin. You won't have to drive 45 minutes to do an estimate or give a quote. We target the exact gender, age, and income level of your clients. According to Pew Research, over half of high-earning U.S. households, those making over $100,000 or more, are active on Instagram. We put you in front of the people who can actually afford your premium rates. When they see your page and your work, they automatically view you as an authority. Incivia found that viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video, compared to only about 10% in text. That is what a local brand does. It earns the trust before you even speak to them. 99% of businesses here in Franklin are just posting random, boring graphics. They have no real brand and no way to drive traffic. They are just background noise. This is the choice you have to make. You can continue being a nobody in the digital space, or you can become the category king, where you actually own the category in your town. When you own the category, you aren't just another option. You are the only logical choice. In fact, I want you to do something right now. Go look up your top 3 competitors on Instagram. More than likely, you'll see they aren't doing anything. Their pages are dead, their content is boring, and they are completely ignoring the platform where your customers are spending their time. This is your window of opportunity. Because they aren't acting, you can step in and own the market right now. This is the biggest opportunity you have this year. You can be the #1 business in 30 days, but you can't be the #1 guy on Google in 30 days. Remember, evolve or get left behind. The businesses that got comfortable on the first page of the newspaper eventually went downhill because they didn't move when attention shifted. Don't let that be you. We have a proven process. Number one, we launch local ads to bring in 20 plus leads a day. Number two, we optimize your profile with 9 high quality pieces of nurturing content. Number three, we use our B2C setting framework to book those leads. Number four, we delegate and scale to take over the city. The real question is, can you handle more jobs right now? Are you tired of the feast and famine cycle? We can have the system set up in as little as 48 hours. We'll help you launch the winning ad, convert those leads into sales, and dominate your competition. If you're ready to grow in your business predictably, here's what I want you to do. Message me back on Instagram right now or coordinate a time for a 5-minute phone call using the link below. We'll see if there's a good fit. I don't work with everyone because you get me. I am personally involved. I can only take on a limited number of new partners each month to ensure we hit our targets. If you're ready to stop being invisible and start being the best known business in town, let's talk. Take care and God bless.